Un poco más. Keep it coming straight back. Stop. Hold it right there.
The scanner indicates internal bruising on this one.
I'll remove it from the line now.
Make sure the others meet the freshness standard.
Selected watermelons enter the washing section. Powerful water jets spray the fruits from all sides.
The watermelon halves move to trimming stations. Workers remove damaged sections if necessary. The fruit flesh is separated efficiently. The watermelon pulp moves into extraction equipment. Special machines separate liquid from solid particles. Temperature is holding steady at 40 Celsius. Mixing is uniform. We are cleared for the next phase. All parameters are within the acceptable range.
The safety verification passed. We can approve this batch for production.
The watermelon juice enters a pasteurization system. Controlled heat eliminate harmful microorganisms. The process preserves flavor and freshness.
Check the viscosity levels on tank 4.
Reading consistent at 1.2, normalized. Temperature holding steady.
The throughput on line 3 is exceeding targets again.
Yes, the optical scanners are improving efficiency.
Filtrators. Bottle cleaning machines sanitize each container. Filtered air removes tiny particles. The process
Labeling machines apply colorful product labels. Each bottle receives branding information. Nutritional details are clearly displayed.
Pallet 789 is ready for the Toronto shipment.
Confirmed. Update the manifest and dispatch the next load.
Warehouse staff scan pallet barcodes. Digital systems update inventory instantly. Every product can be traced accurately. The operation is highly efficient. Warehouse staff scan pallet barcodes. Digital systems update inventory instantly. Every product can be traced accurately. The operation is highly efficient.
Manifest confirms the count. Make sure those straps are tight.
All secure, ready to seal the bay.
The sensor readings on line 3 are fluctuating slightly. It's within tolerance. The predictive maintenance algorithm already compensated.
All specs are confirmed on the tablet. Great, safety check complete. Let's power her up.
The inventory count on aisle 4 is complete.
Good, we need that truck loaded by 3.
Delivery trucks leave the factory gates. The products begin their journey nationwide. Consumers will soon enjoy the refreshing juice.